I get asked often by people who are on my podcast or on my shows or on my YouTube channel, would you send me the video so I can add that video to my YouTube channel? It's not the right way to do it because you really shouldn't have duplicate videos on YouTube. Let me show you a way that you can get a video of you from someone else's YouTube channel on your YouTube channel. It starts first with you having your own YouTube channel, and then next what you need to have is a playlist where where you can put those videos. Now I have that playlist right here. I think it's called Teddy in Public is the name of the playlist, TLB in Public. So if I want this video, instead of getting a copy of it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the three dots and I'm going to hit save. And then I'm going to save it to that playlist, TLB in Public. And now it's added to that playlist for anyone to see. If I go back to my channel, if I hit a refresh, and there it is, it's up on the top because it just got edited. If I view that, should be able to see over here, it's probably on the bottom of the list. There it is there, Job Fair of LinkedIn. That's the video that I want to have on my channel, and now I do in this playlist. I'm Teddy, Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.